All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to my Solana community. Appreciate you guys so much. I cannot thank you guys enough for all the love you guys show me. Words cannot describe that. But you guys can tell by the title of the video, obviously we're going to be talking about none other than Sol itself, see what is happening with the price of Solana, and of course what we could be expecting. Apologize for, missing any updates over the past few days. I just wanted to kind of relax, trying to give myself a lot of break. Usually I tend to just keep working, because at the end of the day I do have a full-time job as well, and then on top of that I do this and obviously my crypto stuff. So sometimes you just need a little bit of a break, but I appreciate you guys so much. Cannot thank you guys enough for all the support. But if we're looking at the overall markets today, as we are closing out, not just Sunday, we're closing out the month of March. So let's just wrap our heads around the fact that we're already 3 months into the year of 2024, and just like that, in a snap of a finger, we're going to be talking about Christmas, and that's honestly around that time I'm personally thinking the market is close to coming to the top. And of course, the whole super cycle, this and that, I'm not going to risk it. I'm going to put that out there. Everyone, at the end of the day, do what you guys want, right? It's my own personal opinion. I usually tend to see people getting a little ticked off because I think, the bull market is going to come to an end in the next 8 to 9 months. Obviously, this ETF narrative, you don't want to get kind of too confused at this. Obviously, we're not going to see, in my opinion, honestly, hold on, let's talk about that. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we'll talk about what I was just about to say regarding the market cycle. But if you're looking at the price of Sol right now, $195.88, down 0.3% over the past 24 hours in USD and Bitcoin. Comparative market cap holding really nice above $87 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 2.2 billion. Love to see this. But let's continue. If you're looking at the DeFi, Solana's DeFi, this is something you guys know I'm paying very close attention to. Since my last update, we've seen an increase, honestly, in the total value locked on Sol. We're approaching the $5 billion mark. The month of March was insane for Sol ecosystem. And speaking about Solana ecosystem, guys, your boy Crypto ZX, again, this is something we've been speaking about, honestly, before this massive spike, this massive explosion. But remember, if you go back a few months ago, I was talking that we're going to see a huge meme coin cycle and a huge NFT craze on Solana. And what I'm trying to say is we're seeing a bunch of Solana meme coins absolutely exploding, like changing people's lives. And on top of that, what I'm trying to show you guys is, Dog with Hat is about to approach a $5 billion market cap, which is a Solana based meme coin. And since the last bear market, we haven't seen any new meme coin reaching the $5 billion mark. So this is insane stuff, worthwhile noting. Love to see it. And now if you're looking at some news, you can see Jupiter Exchange, which again, Jupe coin is killing it right now. A few months ago, literally, when it was trading at 40 cents, people were laughing at me for being bullish on the Jupiter coin. Really reminiscing the old times, last cycle, what happened with Uniswap. We're literally seeing that happening right now. You can see this for yourself. Jupiter flips none other than Uniswap v3 Ethereum in market cap. Wow. I don't think they meant to say market cap. I think they meant to say trading volume. I think that's a typo on Solana floor, but insane, guys. And on top of that, speaking about meme coins, you can see this again. Solana meme coin, Mu, breaks $700 million in market valuation. Mu launched on Solana just 4 days ago. Wow. But now let's talk about the price and talk about the super cycle, all that stuff. So you're looking at BTC dominance. Not much has changed. Your dominance index sitting around 53.6%. If you're looking at our good old friend BTC, Bitcoin, as you guys know from my previous updates, has been ranging pretty much since March 25th within this level, having a really hard time breaking out of the 71,500. But so far so good. We'll take it. The fact that BTC sitting above 70k, that's worthwhile noting. And it's really going to be interesting how the price of Bitcoin reacts as we approach a brand new month. And of course, tomorrow's April 1st. Also, speaking about April 1st, guys, there's going to be a lot of April Fool's jokes, so you don't want to take everything at heart. There's going to be a lot of April Fool's jokes tomorrow, and that can confuse a lot of newcomers coming to the space. So just a quick heads up. And on top of that, it's going to be really interesting because tomorrw is Monday. CME futures obviously are closed on the weekend. So, we need to really see how Bitcoin reacts going into the month of the halving itself. So, really, really exciting stuff. But let's take a look at our good old friend Sol. So, before I talk about Solana, let's talk about what I was discussing earlier. So, everyone right now is thinking about the super cycle, and the ETF this, ETF that. But we need to realize, these people that actually have the ETF, they can sell their ETFs, and are we gonna stop that? No. So basically, what I'm trying to say is, of course, we're seeing such crazy news coming out, but that shouldn't justify the fact that historically speaking, the bull market top should be around the next 8 to 9 months, and that's where I'm personally exiting. I think the bear market will begin sometime in 2025. I don't think the market's gonna go all the way till 2025 to some crazy heights. I just personally don't see that happening. I think the bull market will come to an end this year, maybe January of 2025. But one thing is for sure, and again, this is my own personal opinion, I don't think we're going to see the significant crashes in Bitcoin anymore now that we do have a big money coming into the space. I just don't personally see that happening, unless of course we see some crazy bearish news for the overall economy, and that kind of has a flash effect to it. But if we were to see that even happen, I think Bitcoin would react in a positive way sooner. I think the initial reaction would be obviously a massive crash, but usually we do tend to see Bitcoin outpacing stock market because obviously Bitcoin is used as a hedge against inflation. So we need to keep those factors in mind. But enough with that. Oh, actually, do let me know your thoughts down below in the comments as well. But if you're looking at Sol, guys, Sol is looking amazing right now. You are seeing Solana trying its best to close its daily candle in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level before we close out the monthly candle, and we still have a lot of time left till the monthly candle comes to an close. So let's zoom in a little bit on the hourly time frame and give you guys a better look as to what's happening. So believe it or not, just a few hours ago yesterday, honestly, we did see Sol trying to get back in the 23.6 fib zone. We did see Solana almost touch the $200 price point, but as we know, the $200 price point is a psychological price point, and not only that, it's the resistance to the 23.6 fib zone. So obviously that rejection does not surprise me at all. We are being supported by some key support lines, obviously that kind of date back to the previous cycle as well as now. But you look at this upwards trend that we're forming, guys. This is a beautiful chart. Obviously we did see that massive correction due to Bitcoin, and that should be a learning lesson for a lot of people coming into the space that Bitcoin is going to shake everything if Bitcoin were to go down, including Sol. But you can see a beautiful retest at this $166, which was a huge level of resistance at one point, and if you picked it up around that level, you did see Sol go up 20% after that. So speaking about closing its monthly daily candle in the 23.6 fib zone, that's still a move of about only 2.17%. I think a possibility is definitely there if it's able to close its monthly daily candle in the 23.6. I think we will see an all-time high, honestly even possible on the day of April 1st. So if you want to put that into perspective, that's only a move of about 5%. So if BTC pumps up, breaks all-time high as well, I think a possibility is definitely there for Sol. Do let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.